Hello YouTube, this is Rainbow Loom, and I'm going to be bringing you a tutorial on how to make a ladder bracelet. First of all, this is a pretty easy bracelet. If this is your first time making it, this will be a very helpful video, so let's get into it. You're going to want to pick your colors first, so that it's easier to go along. And I've chosen royal blue, pink, and yellow. So let's start. First, you're going to pick your outline color. Mine's going to be pink. And so first, you're going to want to place one band to the left, one to the right, and continue going down the loom. And you're going to do this all the way until the end. And then on the second to last peg, right here, what you're going to do is you're going to turn in like that, so it should look something like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take from your right side that you just put the band on, and we're going to go all the way up, just like you just did. And then, just like the last time, you're going to want to turn in on the last band. Okay, now that you're done with that, you're going to want to start taking your middle color and going down the middle. Mine's going to be yellow. Oh, got one under the loom. And you want to do this all the way down the loom. Okay, now your loom should look something like this. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to place across. You're going to skip this first one, and you want to place one band across. That's going to give it its ladder type like look. And you want to place this all the way down the loom until the last one right here. Oh, I'm not going to put one on that. Now you're going to want to start looping your outside bands. So what you're going to do is you're going to rotate the loom in a 360. And you're going to want, first, you're going to want to pull back, and you're going to have to make a cap band first. So first, you're going to make a cap band. If you know how to make cap band, you take it with 2 fingers, twist it, put it on the other finger, and kind of just put it right here. And then what you're going to do, you're going to want to pull back. You're going to want to go in with your hook like this, with the back pointing away from the plastic. And you're going to want to go in and grab the band that you had on the left side, and you're going to loop it over itself. like that. Then you want to go back down, grab the other band, which is pink in my case, and you're going to want to loop it to the same side. Now, you can do whatever side you want. You just come down in front of the two bands, take that bottom pink band, well, in my case it's pink, and you're going to want to do that. It's going to get a little bit easier. You're going to want to take the bottom same color that you did all the way around. You're going to want to take the bottom same color. And if you did rainbow on the outside, it's probably going to be a different color every time. But in my case, it's the bottom pink one under the blue. So you're going to want to do that, and you just want to keep going all the way down the loom. Then when you get to the end, it gets a little bit more complicated. I would say this, once you're done with this, it's the two sides. It's going to be the most high chance of error. So you're going to want to watch out. And then at the end, what you're going to do is you're going to take this last band, you're going to want to pull it through both of these. So you're going to want to take it and just loop it around the middle. Make sure that no other bands, make sure that they're all pushed down. Then you're going to want to do the exact same thing on the other side. And just keep going all the way down the loom. Yep. Got it. Okay, now when you get to this very last one, same thing. Take the very last rubber band and loop it in and push it down. Okay, now you're going to want to do your next set of ladders. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your ladder color and do the same thing that you did, except on top of the ones that you just looped. And you're going to want to push it on and just keep doing that repeatedly down the loom. A second layer over your first ladders. And if you actually wanted to do this color combination, I really recommend it, because at the end it would look really good, I'm hoping. I haven't tried it, but so far it looks like a nice color combination. And after you're done with this, you're going to go to your last band, which is mine's blue, and then this is going to be the highest point of error. So what you're going to want to do is take this, and by the way, when you're putting the bands on, you're going to want the arrow facing away from you. Then right now, you're going to want them towards you. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull back this cat band, and you're going to take the yellow band that's under it and loop it onto this one. So it should look something like this. And then you're going to keep repeatedly taking that same middle band, which mine is yellow, and going over the second layer of ladders. And you're going to repeatedly do this all the way down the loom until you get to the end. This is the very last step. So you're going to want to not mess up on this, because if you did, then you'd have to start all over. Okay, this is the last one. You're going to want to pull back this ladder, take it, push it over this. This is going to be pretty difficult, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to rotate the loom again, stick your crochet hook in here, grab the color band that you want. I'm doing blue because blue is missing over here, it's just pink and yellow. You want to stick your crochet hook so it's like this. Then you want to put a band on the hook, bring it up through this and around This is what locks your bracelet together. So then after that, you're going to want to push it up to the fat part of your hook. And now you can proceed to take off your bracelet.